Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can send elements and objects to back in your interface designs on Figma. So let us get started and show you how to do it. So basically there are two different ways, guys. Head over to Figma and access your interface design or project. So let me go with page number 2 of that interface design here. So what you want to do, guys, in the first option is simply right click on the given object. So let me go with that title here. Right click into it, and from that menu below simply select bring to front or send to back depending on the given object's position. So if you'd like to rearrange it and send it to back, click on this button here or use that shortcut. That is going to bring it to the back. So if I, for example, move it to that image here, it will disappear behind that image because it's actually at the very or in the very back of that page here. So let me undo this really quickly by pressing Ctrl Z. So that's the first option, guys. The second option would be to head over to that panel here on the left hand side and switch from assets to file. Here you will see the list of layers below, like all your pages of your website design or interface design. So simply head over to the given page, which in this case here is page number 2, or layer, I just called it or renamed it page 2. So that's the layer here. And here we see a list of all sub layers of that layer. So you will see these listed here with the first one at the very top and the last one at the very bottom. So to rearrange these sub items or sub layers, guys, simply left click on them and drag them to their new position, just like that. And now it's in the very front of that layer, just like that. As you can see now, that title here is in the very front. And if I move it to the bottom of that list of sub layers or sub items, it will be in the very bottom or back of that layer. As you can see, it disappears behind that photo or image here. And that's how you rearrange objects and elements and layers on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.